We're all used to typing on keyboards now, but did you know it wasn't too long ago that this was the main way of interacting with computers? Back in the early 1900s, the typewriter was all the rage. And as the saying goes, a writer is only as good as their tools. So naturally, as technology evolved, so did the tools we use to write with them. The first commercially available computer with a touchscreen was the Apple Macintosh in 1984. This was revolutionary at the time, allowing users to interact with the computer in a more intuitive and user-friendly way. But it wasn't until the iPhone came along in 2007 that touchscreens really took off. The iPhone's multi-touch interface allowed for a level of interaction that had never been seen before. And since then, touchscreens have become the dominant input method on smartphones, tablets, and laptops. But as great as touchscreens are, sometimes it's nice to have a physical keyboard. So which one do you prefer? A touchscreen or a physical keyboard? Let me know in the comments.